Hello everybody! Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Win's Life. I'm so excited. I don't know why. I'm excited because I'm going to make some gnocchi. Gnocchi, guys, gnocchi. It's Gnocchi. It's gnocchi. So for some of you guys that don't know what gnocchi, this is just mashed potato. Mashed potato that they after they mash it, they boil it and then they mash it, and they added a little bit of flour and I think egg. I made this before, guys, long time ago. I mean the gnocchi. From scratch. I made it from scratch, but it was a long time ago when we were still in Florida. For tonight's meal, I am making gnocchi, and I'm going to boil this first. I already have the water boiling. I put a little bit of salt. Oh, this is vegan. Okay. This is different from the one I bought before, but anyway, we'll see how it tastes like. So, but I had gnocchi before, and then when I tasted it, I said maybe I can make it from scratch. So I did. I made it from scratch. So, but anyway, so we are using this gnocchi, and I also have ground pork. We are going to make some meatballs, so I'm going to season this, and all our seasoning is on that side right there. Our usual seasoning. You already know, if you follow my show, you already know the seasonings I used. So ground pork, and I have some milk, about 1.5 cup. Mushrooms, lots of cheese, grated cheese, and I have probably like 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour, butter, and again the olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder. So I'm going to boil this first, and we are going to make the ground pork meatballs. Did I say meatballs? Ground pork. I'm going to make this ground pork like meatballs, and I'm going to attempt to use this device that I bought from, did I buy this? Did I buy this from Shein? I cannot remember. Yeah, I can't remember if I'm the one that bought this. So we'll use this if it works. So we'll just boil that. And while we are boiling that, I'm going to make the meatballs. Gonna put chicken powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, onion powder. So let's see, guys, if this works. How do you do it? I guess. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to use my finger too. I mean my hands. I don't even know how this works. Let me get another glove. I want to use gloves today, guys, because I don't want the meat to go inside my nails, because my nails are long now. I don't want to get the meat inside there. So I guess it doesn't work. Or maybe you can just use it for measuring how much, so it's all the same size. See? You still have to form it. But at least it's the same. They're all the same size. Shein products, right? So I'm just gonna finish making our meatballs. So I finished the meatballs. So now I'm going to put olive oil. And I'm just going to put the meatballs here and we'll cook it until golden brown. Okay guys, it is golden brown already. So I'm going to remove it from the pan so we can start making our roux. And we wanted all that flavor from the meatballs. We are going to add our butter. I know guys, you're gonna say, that's a lot of butter. If you don't want lots of butter, don't put all the butter. Because cheese and butter makes me happy. Then I'm going to put the flour. Add the flour little by little. Then I'm going to add the cream. Chicken bouillon. Onion powder. Garlic powder. I'm gonna taste it first if it needed salt, because I'm going to add some water from the where we boiled the gnocchi, and I put salt in that. So this is about a cup for now. We'll see if we needed more than a cup. Because guys, the meatballs is not cooked inside yet. It's just the outside, so we need to boil that. And make sure it's cooked all the way because it's pork. Salt. And pepper. Now I'm going to put the meatballs. And you want to get all that flavor. And I'm just going to boil this guys until the meatballs are cooked all the way. I am going to put the mushroom. And the gnocchi guys. The gnocchi is already cooked, but I want to put it now too. so it will absorb some of the sauce. I'm going to put the cheese now, guys. And our cheese, I forgot to mention, this cheese has two different kinds. The one that you see with red and green, that's the pepper jack. And the other one is Gruyere. That's how you even pronounce that. Gruyere. I'm gonna save some for toppings, of course. It is done. Dinner is ready. Because it's so white, I wanted to put parsley. No, we'll put the cheese first. We'll put all the cheese. Then we'll put some parsley. There, now there's a little bit of color. Nice. I cut the meatballs and I smelled it. It smells so good. The gnocchi and the meatballs. Taste test. Meatball is so tender. I think I like ground pork meatballs better than ground beef, because the ground beef is a little harder. The ground pork is really soft and it's so creamy. Creamy and cheesy. This gnocchi is good. This gnocchi brand is really good, because I had some gnocchi before. It's really hard. Like they put more flour than the potato. That's why I start making my own, because the one that I had before has more flour than the potato. Did I say tomato? I'm so hungry, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, I bought some gnocchi before. It was a little hard because I think it has more flour than the potato, not tomato, potato. So that's why I started making my own gnocchi, because I can control how much flour I will add to it. So if you tasted gnocchi that it's really hard, that means it has more flour. And I like the one that has more potato. Of course, gnocchi is supposed to be potato, not flour. It is so good. Yeah, this gnocchi, it almost tasted like my gnocchi. The sauce is so creamy and so cheesy. Maybe it's because of all the butter and the cheese, of course, the cheese. The mushroom is perfectly cooked. I didn't know that gnocchi, mushroom, meatballs are really good combination. And of course the cheese, you can't go wrong with cheese, right? So there you go, guys. Easy enough, right? Easy and delicious, and what else? Easy and delicious. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you guys next time on our next dish, next meal, next video. Bye for now.